everyone, how are you? Today we're gonna have our third video of the listening series, how to actually pronounce the letters, the Arabic letters, or what do they sound in a word, okay? Let's start with the letters. Let's start with the first letter, Alif. Alif is pronounced in a word as a. So Alif, a. Let's take this example, the word Nas. Nas means people. Okay, let's focus on the first letter, which is Noon. And when Alif was added to it, it was elevated. So it became Na. From Noon, we went to Na. So Nas. Okay, Alif, A, example, Nas. Okay, right now we might say that we don't understand the examples or they're so hard. Just listen to them. Okay, for now, I just want you to listen. Second letter, Ba. It sounds as Ba. Okay, Ba, Ba. Let's take this example. This word is very special because it starts with Ba and ends with Ba. The word is Bab and it means a door. Okay, Ba, Ba, Bab. Let's look how the letter Ba was pronounced in this word. In the beginning it was Ba, and in the end it was B. Okay, so Bab. We're gonna upload the next in the near future. I'm gonna upload a video how the sound of the letter changes in a word and why does it change. Okay. Third letter, Ta, pronounced as Ta. Ta, pronounced as Ta. Let's take this example, Toot, which means berries. Let's listen to how Ta was pronounced in the end of this word. Toot. Okay, so Ta, Ta. Okay, Ta, Toot. Fourth letter, Tha, pronounced as Tha. Tha, pronounced as Tha. Let's look at this example, Thawb. Tha, Tha, Thawb. Okay, which means a dress. Let's repeat. Alif, A, Nas. Ba, Ba, Bab. Ta, Ta, Toot. Tha, Tha, Thawb. Okay? Let's look at the fifth letter, which is Jim. Jim pronounced as Ja. Jim pronounced as Ja. Let's take this example, Jamal. Jamal means a camel. Let's listen how the letter was sounded at the beginning of this word. Jim, Ja, Jamal. Ja. It was pronounced as Ja. So Jim, Ja, Jamal. Ha, Ha. Ha, Ha. Hamal. Ha, Ha, Hamal. Okay? Hamal means a lamp. Let's listen to how Ha was pronounced in the beginning of this word. Ha. Okay, so Ha, Ha, Hamal. Kha, Kha. Kha, Kha, Khawch. Okay? Kha, Kha, Khawch. Let's listen to how Kha was pronounced in the beginning and in the end. So Kha, U, Kh. Okay, so it was Kha and Kh. So Kha, Kha, Khawch, which is peaches, I think. Da, Da, Dalu. Dal, Da, Dalu. Dalu is a bucket. Dal, Da, Dalu. Okay, let's listen how Dal was pronounced in the beginning. It was Da. Okay, so Dal, Da, Dal. Val, The, pronounced as the. It's like the word the. Val, the, veil, which is a tail. Val, the, veil. Let's listen how Dal was pronounced in the beginning of the word. It was pronounced as the veil, okay? Val, the, veil. Ra, Ra. Okay, so Ra pronounced as Ra. As if there's an H in the end. Ra, Ra. Rasm, which is to draw or drawing. Ra, Ra, Rasm. Let's listen to Ra in the beginning of this word. Ra. It was pronounced as Ra. Rasm. Sa, sorry, Sin, Sa, Simson. Okay, so Sin is pronounced as Sa. And the example is simsum, which is sesame. Okay? Sin, sa, simsum. Let's listen to how sin was pronounced at the beginning of this word. Simsum. Okay? So we have the S sound. Sheen, sha. Okay, so the letter sheen is pronounced as sha. Example, shamis, which is the sun. Sheen, sha, shamis. Okay? Sheen was pronounced in the beginning of this word as sha. Here we have sad, pronounced as sa. And here we have an example, sus, which is a chick. Sad, sa, sus. Let's listen to how sad was pronounced. It was pronounced as sus. So we had that modified strong S sound. Dad, and sus is a chick. Dad, da. Dad, da. Let's take this example. Darab. Darb أو daraba, which means to hit. Dad, da, daraba. Let's listen to dad at the beginning of the word. Was pronounced as da, daraba. Ta, ta, tabl. Ta, ta, tabl, which is a drum. Tabl means a drum. Okay? Ta, ta, tabl. Listen carefully to the beginning of the word. Ta, tabl. The, ظهر. ظهر means the back or the back of something. Okay? The, ظهر. Okay? Okay, let's continue. The letter عين, pronounced as a. Example, عين, which is an eye, either an eye or a fountain. عين, a. Example, عين. Let's listen to how the letter was pronounced in the beginning of this word. It was pronounced as a. So, عين. غين, غ, غيمة, which is a cloud. غين, غ, غيمة. Let's listen to this letter at the beginning of this word. It was غ, غيمة. So غين, غ, غيمة. فاء, pronounced as ف, فحم. فحم is coal. فاء, ف, فحم. فاء, ف, فحم. Let's listen to how fa was pronounced in this word. ف, فحم. قاف, ق, قبل. قبل means before. قاف, pronounced as ق. Example, قبل. قاف, pronounced as ق. قبل. Let's listen to قبل carefully. قبل. So قاف, ق. كاف, pronounced as ك. Example, كلب, which means a dog. كاف, ك, كلب. Example, كلب. Listen to كلب. كلب. Okay, so كاف, ك, كلب. لام, ل, لحمة, which means meat. لام, ل, لحمة. Listen to لحمة carefully. لحمة. ميم, pronounced as ما. ميم, pronounced as ما. Let's give example. مرض, which is a disease. ميم, pronounced as ما. مرض. نون, pronounced as نه. نهر, which means a river. نون, pronounced as نه. نهر. ها, pronounced as ها. هواء, which means wind. ها, pronounced as ها. هواء. هواء either means wind or air, same thing. واو. واو, pronounced as wa. وفاء. وفاء means loyalty, and it's the name. It's a common name for girls. So واو, wa, وفاء. واو, wa, وفاء. يا, يا, ياسمين. Yasamin, which is jasmine flower, and it's a very common name for girls in Arabic. Ya, ya, Yasamin. Waw, wa, wafa, ya, Yasamin.